part 5. Okay, so we're gonna like start putting it back in. So I just wanna know if this is like, you know, it's fine. Okay, so we're gonna start putting this retarded thing back in here. We're gonna put that right there. I don't really know what this is, but we're gonna put it back in there anyway. Because don't want my parents getting mad. And then this frame. Some mini pancakes. And then these like veggies. Okay. Okay, we're gonna like show you. This is like the vibe. Then we're gonna do this one. Okay, whole time. Oh, my bad thing. Okay, gang. Oh, guys. Okay. First, we got some frozen blueberries. We're actually gonna put this down here because like it just looks better. Okay, then we got some Eggos. Actually, I don't know when these are like. We're gonna like close it up so I have some time here. So I don't really know. This is do whatever. You know, we're fine. Okay. Okay, next we have oh shit. What the hell? Steak. Sorry, guys. I think a fly. Yes, we are opening it because. Oh yeah, we're good. That's some fresh steak. Whoops. I'm scared. Yeah. What is in here? The hell? Okay, we got some caramel apple tartlet. And these are all some caramel apple tartlets. Let's throw these away. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys next episode.